Hi Cornelius, my name is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video going to go over your website with you, show you how to get new leads, as well as discuss your overall online presence. So to start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking websites on their Google platform. And those are content, citations, and backlinks. Probably the most important and biggest mover for organic movement of your site is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So this information here would count, and that's it. That's all you have. So let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content, right? So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds content-rich sites, and naturally moves them up the rankings. From doing some research on some competitors in your area, as well as knowing how much Google likes content, I'm going to suggest you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your home page alone. In doing this, that will allow Google to find you and get ranked, as well as outrank your competition in content alone, which again is the biggest factor for organic movement of your site. With that said, on every additional service page that you offer, we recommend between 750 to 1,000 words of content. This achieves two things for you. It adds a lot of content to your site, which we know that Google loves content, but it also allows us to appropriately put specific keywords on every page for you to be found. That way, anytime someone in your area searches keyword-specific cleaning services, those keywords show up in your text. So having those keywords structured into your content is going to help you get found easier, as well as allow Google to point back to you in multiple fronts. This here is Ahrefs, and it just gives me a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. As you can see, you have about 17 people coming to your site every month. Normally, people on page 1 that are ranking higher in your area have well over 100, so we would definitely expect this number to be much higher if appropriately ranking for these three concepts. So again, let's have a look at the keywords you're currently ranking for. As you can see, your business name, Cleaner Carpet Concepts, you're ranking at #1, leather sofa cleaning at #6, and floor cleaning Charlotte at #8. So not a lot on the home page, definitely ranking for a lot of keywords, but again, for you to be found for these keywords, they have to be present in the content on your website. So I would recommend putting more of these keywords to rank for some of these higher volume keywords. That way you can get found on multiple searches, okay? Next, I want to take your attention to these two numbers here. This UR is directly related to citations. And a citation is, when you do a basic Google search, the very first thing you get here is the GMB, or the Google map. From the get-go, these top 3 people are going to have the most business based on visibility alone, which is what every small business owner wants, right? We want our information and business name to be in front of as many people as possible. So having one of these top 3 positions is going to be crucial. How do we get there? By doing citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. Think Yelp or Yellow Pages. There's hundreds of them out there, so the more you add, the higher up this ladder you climb until we secure you a top spot. In doing so, this UR number is going to keep going up. Next, let's look at this DR number. DR is directly related to backlinks, and a backlink is anywhere that your business's website is clickable and linkable on another business website. Think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting a good referring domain that's trusted by Google and has a lot of traffic host your backlink is going to throw a lot of their influence back to you, causing this DR number to go up. So why are these two numbers important? Well, when these two numbers are climbing, you're going to get a lot of linear stability on your Google position on that platform. So whereas you've had some ups and some big downs and some ups and some kind of declines, you're going to have more stability over your position on Google. So that's definitely what we want to reach for, okay? So just to reflect, get a lot of citations, move up that GMB, secure a top spot on that Google My Business pack, and get visibly seen by a lot of people. Next, add good quality backlinks from trusted domains to refer a lot of that influence back to you. Next, let's get a lot of good keywords put into the content on our website so that we found easier on multiple searches, as well as up the content to 750 to 1,000 words. For every keyword you want to rank for, it has to be surrounded by about 250 words of text. So definitely getting more content is key, as well as about 1,500 words on our homepage alone. That's going to get us found by Google, as well as outrank our competition for content in the area. Well, that's all the information I have for you right now. I hope you found this information useful. Please send me a quick email letting me know what you thought about it. I would greatly appreciate it. And that's all I have for now. So I will be in contact soon.